up? This is Dalou. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today I am going to show you how to make your bed to make sure you have that luxury aka hotel-like bed. I hope you will enjoy it. My beautiful niece is going to be my assistant for today, Miss Kiara. Say hi to the Glam Squad.
Hi Glam Squad family, I'm Kiara.
She will be helping me out today. I hope you guys are up for it. Alright, without further ado, please let's get started. So you guys, the number one tips in making sure that you have a bed that has a luxury look, hotel look, is to make sure the things around your bed are neat and organized. So definitely take a little bit of time to clean and organize the area before you start setting up your bed. We are going to get started with the bed, and the first thing we're gonna put on the bed is a fitted sheet. As you guys know, I like to use white, so I know the camera is not looking white, but it is white, trust me. Now if you are dealing with a sheet that is wrinkled, just put it in the dryer just wet it first with some water and put it in the dryer for 20 minutes. That should do it. It's not going to be perfect, but it will remove most of the wrinkles. After the fitted sheet, we're going to be adding a flat sheet. This set is from Amazon. I'm going to take this moment to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. Once again, my name is Dalou. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. Big thank you to all of my returning Glam Squad. Y'all know I love you. Please check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Glam Style with Dalou. I'm going to tuck in the sheet under the mattress. I'm starting with the bottom. Now this is the fun part. I am going to do what they call the hospital fold. I am not perfect at it, but I am happy with the job that I do. The next item that I'm going to be using is this quilted sheet that I purchased from Amazon. I really like it. I love the quality. It's very luxurious. You can find the same one at the gallery, but it is going to be much more expensive. So this one is more affordable. We're going to repeat the same process we did for the flat sheet. Once again, we are going to repeat the hospital fold. Please pay attention to see how I do it. Then I'm gonna take the flat sheet and the quilted sheet and roll them together. Then we tuck both of them under the mattress. Now we're gonna start with our sleeping pillows. Since my bed is a king size bed, I'm using king size pillows. I'm using 4 of them. It is really important to use king size pillows, not queen size. Now this is how I fix my pillowcases to make sure they look neat. It is super easy. One more time, Kiki is going to demonstrate. Next item is this super luxurious fluffy comforter. I purchased it from Amazon. Another affordable piece that looks super expensive. I'm going to fold it in half and then fold it in half again. It is time for our decorative pillows. I'm gonna start with these two that came with the comforter set. I'm also gonna be using 3 of these. They are from Home Goods. Guys, do not be afraid of using as many pillows as you would like, because this is what's gonna take the look of your bed to the next level. You already know how I do. No look of mine is complete without something super glam. The pillowcase is from Amazon. Instead of having the pillows in the middle, I have them slightly on the side and facing the door. To finalize the luxurious look of the bed, I'm using a tray. It is from Burlington with some flowers, a monkey, and a bowl. On the bench, I'm adding a luxurious throw. I purchased it from Z Gallery. Last thing I like to do is to spray this lavender spray that I purchased from Home Goods. It smells really good, preferably at night before I go to bed. Now you may be asking the question, Dalou, do you do that every day? No ma'am, please watch and see how I do in the morning. Good morning, Kiki. As you can see, the way the bed is made, it does not take time at all to fix the bed in the morning. Okay, you guys, this is it. I hope you have enjoyed the video and my beautiful niece working with me. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Okay, what was your favorite part?
Well, I really liked when we started doing the design of the pillows because they look so pretty.
Oh, she's a glam girl, you guys, just like you. Alright, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not leave without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I will see you on the next video. I love you always. Bye-bye.
Bye.